ating chicken strips. Marami akong mahahabang strips. Long, very long. Too long. Yan. Overcrowd na natin. Dahil wala na tayong time. Lagi na lang walang time. Okay. Okay. Then, tikman na natin, guys, ang ating strips. Yan, lagay na natin doon. Okay, lagay muna natin sa fridge. Wala ng time. OMG. Okay, guys. Yan, guys. Ang ating chicken strips. Tikman na natin. Maymay? You didn't take shower yet. Go to take shower now. MashaAllah, you forgot. Yala. Taste. Super. Super sarap, guys. Isa pa? I-arrange natin para ilagay yung iba. Walang space para sa iba. Yan. Yan, guys. Very good. Then, back to the fridge. The dates. Yan, guys, gumawa ako ng tableya cake. Oh, very nice, guys. Naubos na nila. So, tikman natin, guys. Kahit hindi pa siya natanggal sa kanyang oven. Oven tray. Baking pan. Masarap pala yung tableya, guys. Pag sa cake. Fairness. I didn't expect, guys. First time, tumikim ng gumawa ng tableya cake. Sarap. Hindi ko siya masyadong kinamisan, guys. Kaya sabi ni May, kulang daw ng sugar. Pero, for me, okay na siya. Yan, guys. Ang aking tableya cake. Super moist. Yan, ubos na siya. Ubos na yung kalahati. Okay? So, yun lang, guys. Mamaya na natin i-continue. Masyado ng mahaba ang aking video. So,